Hi everybody, welcome. So today I just actually scraped a swipe that didn't work that great. So I left some of the paint on the side. I'm going to use the same colors and I'm going to do a bloom because I'm just curious to see how my white cell activator is. It didn't work that great on the swipe, but I want to make sure it works okay. I'm going to use the same colors. This time it's going to be a bloom. This is very thick, this one. I don't know why. So I add a little bit of water sometimes to my bloom paints. Okay, this is just Windsor Violet. I'll do this Extreme Sheen. It's called a Aquamarine Extreme Sheen by Art. Yeah, some violet, a lighter violet. And a bit of this sapphire. This is Extreme Sheen also, sapphire. I got a bubble there. Okay, so I'm going to put white cell activator and I'm going to use my straw. The reason I left the sides on, I'm just trying to save a bit of paint. It'll probably get tilted off anyway. That seems to work okay, except for that one big blob in the middle. I don't know where my gold went, I can't see it. I'll let it I'll let the middle come back. I like how the white cell activator takes on the color of the underneath color. It's turning a light blue. I'll remove this. Oops, spilling my paints. All right, I'll go this way first. I'll go this way. This is going to be a shiny one. I still have some air bubbles in my base paint. It's better. I think the person at the store shook my can of paint, so I'm getting these little white air bubbles from the base. See if I can get some more of this off here. These are pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, I think that's probably good. Put this back on here. I'm gonna see if I can get rid of those white dots. Let's take a pin. There's not a lot of paint on here, so it's not gonna, if you touch the white dot, the color comes over top of it. It's pretty good. It's better than my last time. I poured it 2 days ago and I had so many. Because if you're picking a pillow paint off the shelf, don't get it shook. You'll have so many air bubbles and it takes a long time for them to go away. You can just come home and you can give it just a stir with a stick yourself. There, one more over here. I'm going to hold it up for you so you can get a close-up. Oh, that was a big one. These are pretty colors. Isn't that pretty? So I love it. I think it's gonna dry nice and shiny. All right, so have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carole's Art Room, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and like is good. Give me a thumbs up under the video, and there's in the description of my video, if you hit the little arrow, there's a drop down. You'll get some recipes for my cell activator and my tutorial for my blooms. All right, well, have a great day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. This is my dried bloom. Look how pretty that is. Dried awesome. Look at the shine. Look at that shine from that extreme sheen. It's amazing. I love it. Oh, I gotta get some more paints like that. Dried really good. I don't want to touch the middle. It might still be a hair wet in there. I did it yesterday, but most of it's dry. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carole's Art Room. Bye-bye.